Welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for this video. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Rather if you're new to the channel, rather if you've been following me for quite some time, rather if you just clicked on this video because you saw how beautiful this space is. Happy New Year. Okay, loves, let's jump right into the details of this space, starting with the entryway. So as you walk into my home, to your left, I have my entryway, and my lamp here is actually from Z Gallery. I need to pull it over. There we go. I had it too close to the wall. The lamp is from Z Gallery, as well as the Miami vases. These Miami vases were available in silver, gold, and white. And I think right now you can get your hands on the gold and the silver. My entryway console is from Wayfair. Now, I always tell my my subscribers and viewers that this is a very affordable console, meaning it's not real wood. It's the engineering wood, and you do have to put the console together. It's excellent for storage. I have extra candles and decor in mine. Now, panning up to the wall art. Wall art is from Burlington. When I saw this wall art, I had to have it. It's like that metal. It's metal, okay? And it comes in different designs. So I decided to go with the bigger design in the middle, and the two opposite, on the opposite I have the same, but I have them pointed in different directions. So I'm loving that look. My plant is from Ross, but the plant stand is actually from CB2. And my door, my black door, is from Home Depot. My runner is from Wayfair. And since we're talking about the runner, let's pan on around to the area rug, which is also from Wayfair. Drapes, I love those drapes. Those are border trim drapes. Those are from 2-page curtain. You can get these drapes in so many colors, and your borders also can be in different patterns or different colors. I will link them down below, as well as a coupon code in case you're interested in checking the drapes out. Now, my drapes is 102 inches long, 52 inches wide. What I like about 2-page curtains is you can customize your drapes to whatever height and whatever width that you want, whatever color you want. You can customize them on what top design that you want. I have the pleated design, and I actually had to end up purchasing the black hooks from Amazon because they don't come with the black hooks. The faux plant is from Z Gallery. The red pillow is from Amazon. My accent chairs are from Wayfair, and that you can either purchase them singly, a single chair, or you can purchase them as a set. I think it's more affordable if you get them together. My coffee table is from Homary. It also came in a set. It came with the cream and gold. You see the gold at the bottom there. Then it also came with the gray, and that gray also has gold at the bottom. My vases on my coffee table is from Z Gallery. The little Chanel black book is from Amazon. And yes, that's my coffee table. And I'm using that coffee table over there because it actually can be used together here. But I'm kind of short on space. So I decided to use the other coffee table as an end table next to that accent chair. My sofa is from TOV, but it's a TOV sofa, but you can get it from Amazon and you can get it from Wayfair. I think I'm going to link the Amazon and Wayfair link down below. The red pillows are from Amazon. My black and white pillows are from Z Gallery. My heart-shaped pillow, super cute, is from Amazon, and my red ball pillow also from Amazon. My lamps are from Z Gallery. These are a Z Gallery exclusive lamp. They come in silver, gold, and white. I think the gold is kind of popular right now. I also have the silver in my master bedroom. I can't wait to show y'all a full tour in that space as well. The wall sconces are from Amazon, but you also can get the wall sconces from Wayfair. They come with a remote and you can, control the temperature on them. Mine need to be charged right now. You charge them via USB. So I can't show you how they look with the lights off. I'll show you a picture. I'll put a picture on here to show you how this space looks with the lights off. My end tables are from Homary. You still can get your hands on those. I'll place a link down below for them. My fireplace is from Wayfair. You can also get it on Amazon. I'll place the links down below for that. My mirror is from Z Gallery. Unfortunately, this is an old piece, so you're not able to get your hands on it from Z Gallery, but there is one similar to it on Wayfair. If I can find it, I'll link it down below for you. The black vase here is from Home Goods, and this is a little coin bank purse. I thought this was so cute to use as decor. Now, I don't have hardly anything silver in this space, but I put it up there because I'm extra. It's probably throwing off the space because it's nothing pretty, not too much silver in here at all, but I wanted that purse in here. Y'all know I'm extra. And then the vase set here is from Z Gallery, and it's an old piece, so you may not be able to get your hands on that. Then I have the same accent chair over here. And then if I pan up, I have my super cute chandelier. I am in love with this chandelier. I also have the rectangular one in my dining area. Love, love, love how it looks, how the light bounces off the chandelier. It's even more beautiful with the lights off. Super, super cute. It comes in gold, and it also comes in the black. I am really loving the space with the pops of red. So as you know, I used red, black, and silver in this space for the holidays. And as I did my Christmas takedown, I left the wall art on the wall. And when I realized, I'm like, you know what? I really like that wall art. And then since, Valentine's Day is coming up, I know Valentine's Day is one day. So I decided to throw some pops of red. Well, leave some pops of red in the space for the next week or so, because I want to do fuchsia in here. Of course, I'm going to take that red wall art down when I do the fuchsia. Then I have maybe a burgundy. I may throw some burgundy in here for Valentine's. I want to do a few Valentine. I want to do my teal. I want to do so much before February 14th passes us by, because it's such a fun thing to do. And the only thing I probably throw in here for Valentine is a heart pillow. Of course, I'll probably have, some candles or whatever here and there. But for Valentine's, it's just going to be heart pillows. I'm not going to have hearts all over the place. But it just gives you that love vibe, love is in the air vibe, just by having that one little heart in the space. So, yes, so I don't know when I'm going to post this video. Today's Sunday. I may post it today or maybe on Monday. But either way it go, you'll get this video this week. And I'll try to get in another video later. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.